my name is Gage Jones, and I attend Raleigh Community Schools, and I am currently taking a class called Computer Science and Software Engineering. Today we are doing our PC building simulator, and this is part 6. We are building one last custom computer. This one's not going to be water cooled. This one is just going to be, it was just water cooling and all RGB. So here's our last one. We're looking at the PC parts last, and I feel like it turned out pretty well. But now we're going to try and make just the best computer that this game has to offer. So we're going to start by turning this one off. Should be able to do just by doing this. And we're going to put this in the closet of computers. Next one. Now we're going to be doing a similar case, not quite the same case. We're just going to go down a little bit. So the one that we did was just right here, I believe. So we're going to be doing this one. This is a pretty similar one. A little different. And this one, I'm not sure if it has RGB or not. We'll have to see. If not, I'll just install RGB fans. But this one will not have a radiator since everything So let's just check. I might just remove all of these since I'm just going to install my own fans. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. Strip it down again. So, starting with getting rid of all of this. And then we're going to see what is the best motherboard we can do. Sorry, that took me a minute to process. Alright, now it's just the case. Starting with, let's just do case fans. I mean, that's what we've been doing for a minute. So let's do that. So here are RGB ones right here. So I think we're gonna do that. Yeah, I think these actually are the best option. Let's see. Will these fit? So looks like we need just we need smaller? Yeah, we need smaller ones. We just need a small version of it. And then make a small version. Yeah, that's better. Because this one I really want it to look really nice. So we're just going to install this one. Same thing again for the next one. This one. Hopefully it'll look good. And it'd be nice if it looks better, but we'll see. This one we're not going to add as much SSDs, just because last time we ran into the problem of not having enough spots on the PSU for it. Power supply. And lastly, we should need one more. And this one, we could install a couple on the top. Yeah, we're gonna install 2 on top. Might as well. We're already here. These ones we might do the bigger ones on though. Since yeah, we're doing the bigger ones on this one. And last but not least, the last fan, which will be put right here. Now we need our motherboard, which I'm hoping will be really good to power this. And now I have a lot more options. So I wonder if we can get an RGB one. Is that, yeah, we can get RGBs. We just need to now know what one is going to be our best option. Because we want a really, really good CPU. So mean, worst case scenario, we put it all together and then we take it back apart. That's the worst case scenario. So, I personally like Intel, but that's just my opinion. So we're gonna be using that for this one. Is there any other one besides Coffee Lake for our chipset? And the reason is because I kind of want a better CPU, but maybe that's our best CPU that they have, except for the AMDs. And I haven't tried the AMDs. Actually, what we can do is we're just gonna do this. We're going to pull out our computer. So we want that one. It's this one. And now that we have powered it on, I think. Oh wait, no, that's actually not mine, is it? That is not doing it. It's a similar one to that, but not that one. Really, really similar, but I believe actually it's this one here. Yep, this one. Now we're just gonna turn this one on. And now it is going to boot up and so we want that one, it looks like, for graphics card. And then our best CPU is the AMD, so we're going to be doing the AMD, which is, we're all good. So AMD Ryzen 9 Core 38950X. So we should have that somewhere. I wonder what these are. I guess we'll have to test that at one point. And so it looks like we're gonna be doing AMD. So let's see here. Is there any RGB ones for that's Coffee Lake right here? Is it an RGB? We're gonna try this one. Let's see how this one goes. Our goal is to get the best, absolute best performance out of this. So we're going to have just the best parts in this. And hopefully this will do. Let's see what CPUs can go in here. Oh, okay, that X'd out every Ryzen. Oh, that's only for these special ones, which I'm not entirely sure. So, guess we're not doing this one. So I really want to go for the best specs. So I guess we're just gonna have to find what CPU it is real quick. And I'll be back when I finish with all of this and I figure out what level. Alright, so I figured out what socket we need. So we are going to be doing the AM4, which is right here, but I want like, is there one with more RGB than that one? Because I really want it to look really cool as well as performance. So, is this, oh yeah, we're doing this one, I think. Yep. So we're going to install this, and I'll be back once I have it installed. Now that we have it installed, we are going to be installing our CPU, and we're only going to be doing this one because that's what says the top rank is. So right here, best CPU. And now we're going to be installing our thermal paste, and now we just need to do our CPU cooling. preferably RGB. So there's this one, that one. There's this one, which would be pretty cool. Oh, there's also. And here's all like the water cooling ones. Alright, so that's all water cooled. So we're gonna do one just up here, this one. So let's just figure it out. I think I might go with one that's just straight here. Oh, actually, maybe this one. Yeah, we're gonna do this one. I think it'll look pretty cool. I mean, it takes up a lot of room, but that shouldn't be too much of a problem. Let me take this out, and so we're going to install the best graphics card, which is currently in the game, the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 2080. So we're gonna see if we can find this one specifically, and I'll be back once I found it. So here is our best option. We're going to install it. And we should be able to install another one, hopefully. That'd be quite good if we could. So, oh, can we? Or, I can't tell, can we or not? So, I know we need to remove those. So, here's just remove these two and see if they will let us or not. We might not be able to. But I guess we're gonna have to find out. Yep, we're gonna install one right here. And now everything is installed right there. And now we need to install our too many sticks of RAM. This one we're going to do just as the last one we were doing with water cooling. We're going to do those 16 gigabyte ones, since we could do as many of those as we want. So let's see if I can find those. Yep, they're right here. We're just gonna do this for all of it. We might only be able to fit 3. So. Yeah, no, we cannot fit that one. So we're only fitting 3 on this one. And now we have our CPU. We have it all, has the cooling, it has the motherboard. We need the power supply. Oh. Is there any more than 850 watt? So this is going to require a lot of energy. So we're going to see if there is one more than 850 watts somewhere. Oh, 1,000 watt. We might have to do, or 1,600 watt. You know what? Let's just see what happens if we were to install this. Or would it just be too much power at this point? And now we're just going to install everything, and then we're going to add our storage next. Actually, we're going to remove those because I want everything in blue. Because that's my favorite color, so we're just going to do blue. So maybe we can do this one between, yeah, we're gonna do this one. I think this will look good. Yeah. So now we're just gonna do this for everything. Let's see how it looks. And then it kind of goes to the RGB look, since you can go with any of those colors. Now we're just going to slowly connect everything to the next. And then This needs to go down here. And this one goes up here. This one goes up here. And last but not least, this one goes up here. And now that we have all of that installed, we need to next install our storage. Well, you know what? Maybe we should try just to... Oh wait, first we need to remove this, of course. Maybe we should just install just as much as we did last time. And yeah, it's a lot, but this one's also a lot bigger with a power supply. So maybe it'll work. We'll see. And if it doesn't, we're all good still. Nope. I mean, it's just extra in case you lose something. So, yeah, so. I believe we can only fit one more on here. Yep. And then I'm not sure if we can fit one of these on there, or if there's just too much at this point, but we're gonna try. Yeah, it looks like we can't because of the GPUs taking up that much room. We're all good then. So now we're just gonna cable everything back up. So it's not quite as much, but it'll be the same amount, like, worth of cables. And then same things. Oh yeah, we got plenty. This one. And last but not least, this one. And now we should be able to just install our case, and then we're all good. And now the top one. Two side ones, and then we're all good. And last but not least, side panel. Now we need to install one last thing, and that would be our USB drive. And now the rest we just need to do cables. And last but not least, there. And that's what our computer looks like when it's done. We just need to control all of the lights. It's just like the last one. But this one has a tiny bit more storage. But it does have more storage. This one does move a little slower while installing, which I don't know is a good sign, but we'll see. Hopefully it does mean it's going to run slower. I'll be back when this is all done. Dang! So now we have finished installing almost everything. I think I might have forgot one thing to download, but if so, well, I don't think there's something. I'll do that later. So we're going to first control our lighting because everything's random right now. So we're just going to do, let's just do the rainbow for now. Well, but we want the speed a lot slower. Let's see what all this looks like from the outside. Yeah, let's just keep it like that for now. Maybe a little slower though. Yep, right there, I think. Yeah, that's better. Last but not least, we're just gonna test our computer. So the CPU seems to, that's the max I've ever gotten it to do. So I guess we're just gonna come down to if the GPU is really fast or not. So just keep working its way. And now, oh yeah, that is crazy, really fast. This is the highest amount of frames I've ever gotten on this game. So, I guess that's what happens when you put two of the best graphics cards in here. And for this is also crazy because I've never gotten even close to this. So, and after this is done testing, we are going to overclock the GPU and see what it does.
What parts did you use here? That's kind of broken.
Two really good GPUs is what I used, and it's crazy. I got 19,508 for our top score. Now we're gonna get our GPU tuner. Oh, we're turning everything up.
I think it might blow up.
We'll see. I mean, this could be, yeah, that was stupid. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, okay. So, definitely not doing that much again. Because obviously it doesn't really like to work. Oh. Okay. So, might be a second. So, settings. So I guess we're gonna have to factory reset it. So next time we're not doing that, but that is crazy high score I've ever gotten. Now turning the GPU tuner and we're doing the same thing, but maybe not so much. I don't know how much I should do. Maybe just like that. See what that does. Alright, now we're gonna try it. And we're gonna see if we, and seems like everything else is doing well. And that's it for this video. Have a great day.